Many people believe that this water reservoir or Bauli is haunted, as many times in the dark night they have heard the sounds of someone drawing water through the bucket from it. But actually, there is no water at all because it is a dried up Bauli. Whatever the reality may be, one thing is sure: if you will visit this place all alone, you will experience the creepy feeling that someone else is there around you. For me, it doesn't matter as I have been to many such places which were more scary and frightening than this one. You can say that those creepy creatures know me well as I am a regular visitor to such places. This is the base of the well. In comparison to the big majestic Bauli of Imambara, this Bauli at Gadi Sanjar Khan Maliabad is comparatively very small and lacking the maintenance, but one will find it very interesting and fascinating. So what if it is small in size? But probably it is of the same period as of Imambara, Shahi Bauli. This Bauli was probably constructed in order to be used as water reservoir as well as source to groundwater. It is surrounded by mango trees, and one will notice this Bauli once they have reached close to its steps, as it is absolutely not visible from far. There are magnificent broad stairs which will take you down to the bottom of the well. Once you reach there in the bottom, you will feel that the hot and humid weather of outside has cooled down a bit, which is surprising. This Bauli is remarkably in good condition and is fighting the onslaught of time on its own. On moving further down the stairs, one can stand on the ground base of the well, where once water existed. But now it is dried and soil turned hard. Standing on it gives thrilling feeling. Actually, the history of Maliabad region is very old. It was frequently ruled over by various tribes. Soon after the invasion of Salar Masood in 1030 AD, Rajput tribes took over. Then Bais of Baiswara came. Likewise, it was ruled by Gautams, Pasis, Panwars, Kurmis, Moraos, Solankis, Gauls, Chauhans, Bhars, Araks, Janwars. Then came the Sheikhs, Sayyids, Kidwai Sheikhs, and finally Pathans captured this whole region. About the history of Maliabad, I will have to explain it to you in few episodes because it will take too much time because there is so much to write and so much to discover. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Goodbye.